this video I'm going to show you how you can open these HEIC file format images into Adobe Photoshop. So here you can see there are two images of HEIC file format, and when we try to open it using the Adobe Photoshop, the file won't open. Instead it will throw an error, could not complete your request because it is not the right kind of document. So this is happening with the other file as well. You can see I will try opening the other HEIC file format image with Adobe Photoshop, and that will also throw an error saying could not complete your request because it is not the right kind of document. So how we can open this file into Photoshop, let's find out. So when I try to open this file directly using the preview or the Photos app on the Windows, it will open successfully without any issues, but this problem or the error will only occur with the Adobe Photoshop. So you can see the file has been successfully opened in the Photos app. So how we can successfully open these files in Adobe Photoshop for editing, let's find out. So first of all, you will need to convert this file into JPG file format, which is one of the commonly supported image file format in every application. So let's convert it into JPG file format. So to convert it, you will need to open your web browser. In Google, type HEIC to JPG converter by reveal that and hit on enter. So this will give you several results. Click on the HEIC to JPG converter by reveal that. So this will open the HEIC to JPG conversion tool. Here you can convert the HEIC file into JPG file format. Click on the browse HEIC file and select the location where you have stored the HEIC files. So I will select both of these files as I want to convert it into JPG. Click on open. Here you can select the conversion settings. The quality you can set maximum, which is 90%. If you wish, you can set a width or height to the images if you want a specific height and width. So I will leave empty as I want the default image dimensions. So both files will be loaded over here. To convert, click on the convert all to JPG. This will take few seconds to convert the image into JPG. So let's wait for few seconds. So with this tool you can convert multiple HEIC into JPG image. So this is a free tool. So without any paid tool you can make HEIC file converted into JPG. Once the file is converted, you will be able to see the preview of the converted images. You can download them individually by clicking on download button on each image file, or else you can download all of them by clicking on the download all, and this will download all the images into your download folder. You can see the converted file is been now stored in the download folder. So you can see the file format is JPG of both this file. So now let's try opening it with Adobe Photoshop, and this will successfully open the file without any issues or generating errors. So this is how you can easily convert HEIC image file into JPG and open HEIC file format images into Adobe Photoshop.